During the whole meltdown, I still remembered there was only two things I told you guys. Number one, don't panic sell. And number two, if the stock is low enough, continue accumulating that stock. At that point in time, I know that was really scary times. And I know that our basic primal instinct is to maybe just run away from our investments and not even look at it. In fact, let me show you what happened to a couple of my stock picks. So this is CCK, and let's look at it on a 1 month basis. We can see that it was gradually going down, and I think the lowest point was during the whole meltdown, 137. And lo and behold, look at the stock price today. We could see that it's trading at 155. Let us look at another stock. So this is Pekat. This was another stock which I was talking about. It closed at 96 cents, and we could see the same pattern. During a 1 month period, you could see this drop. In fact, it was 84 cents, right? And remember what I said, don't panic. From 84 cents, it became to 96 cents, right? So again, you would have made a small little trading gain from this. But that was one of the reasons why I always say to diversify. And this is what happened to a couple of my financial stocks. Over here, we could see Maybank, and this is the power of diversification. Even though it dropped, right? Maybank still managed to appreciate by 1.4%, which is pretty cool actually. That being said, let us look at the year-to-date performances of these stocks. So on a year-to-date basis, we could see that CCK appreciated by 89%. This is at 83 cents to 155. Look at it fly. And the same we could say about Pekat. It was 43 cents, and today it is 123% in terms of year-to-date appreciation. And today it is at 96 cents. Again, look at this stock fly. So overall, my advice still stands, is stock picking is key towards your success. Always pick companies which would be doing well. And over here, we could see that if we pick good stocks, this is where we can get amazing returns.